please. Thank you.
This is Gray and Alex ordering on bikes.
Hey, anything?
No, we're good. Yeah.
Well, Tom Singer, would you like one of our new teriyaki chicken sandwich tonight?
Not today. We can't afford it. Sorry. Thanks a lot, though. Good job, Pete.
You're gonna make it there. What the fuck? Mikey.
Great. Still recording this? Oh my god, entertainment. Let them record it, man. Oh man, the fucking gas fumes are getting me pretty high.
Well, Tom Singer, would you like one of our new teriyaki chicken sandwich tonight?
Might as well record this.
Whenever you're ready.
I can't believe we're doing this, dude.
That's so good.
Hey, this is one time in life. And they thought they weren't going to service, right?
Did you tell him you're on bikes?
Why would you tell them that? Yeah.
I just didn't know if you did. I figured you might have.
Yeah. Yeah. There we go. Oh. Okay. Moving up.
I want to see him get the nine. I gotta get that on tape too.
Oh, hi. We're in the cannot take drive-up order or walk-up orders of bicycles. I'm sorry.
Didn't we order already?
Yeah, but I cannot receive it. I'm sorry. There's a posted sign against the health rules and insurance rules.
Well,
Imagine you get hit by a car or somebody gets you. We'd be liable.
yeah, but aren't we already
I'm
in
sorry.
here?
I have to cancel an order.
What? What if I just like threw some money in the window?
Yes.
Son of a bitch. This does not work, man.